Hello and welcome to UTS Library's tutorial on referencing a journal article using the APA 7th style. In this video, we'll show you how to reference a journal article and what to do if your article doesn't have a DOI number, which is a number that identifies a particular document and helps the reader find it online. To reference a journal article, you need the author or authors of the article, the year it was published, the title of the article, the name of the journal that published the article, the volume and issue number, the page range, and finally, the DOI number of the article. After you gather this information, it's time to reference. Start with the author or author's surname and the initials of their given names, then put the year of publication in parentheses. After that, write the title of the article. Only capitalize the first word of the article title, the first word after a colon, and any proper nouns. Then write the name of the journal in italics, with all major words capitalized. After the title, write the volume number in italics, and then the issue number in parentheses. The issue number should not be in italics. After the issue number, put the page range of the article. Finally, write the DOI number, without a full stop at the end. If the article has no DOI, you can use a URL that doesn't require login access. If the article has no DOI and no freely available URL, you can leave it out. If you're unsure whether your article has a DOI, go back to the article. It should be listed somewhere near the title or at the footer of the PDF. In this tutorial, we covered how to reference a journal article and what to do if your article doesn't have a DOI.